Yuccas are truly remarkable plants, bringing a touch of the exotic to our gardens. With their bold, sword-like leaves, they make a real statement. Many varieties produce stunning spikes of creamy white flowers. These flowers can be quite a spectacle, reaching high into the air. They command attention, yet are surprisingly easy to care for. Their architectural form is a delight in any setting. They offer year-round interest, which is always a bonus for us gardeners. These fascinating plants mostly hail from the Americas, found in arid and semi-arid regions. Their natural resilience makes them a fine choice for many different garden situations. One of the greatest benefits of growing yuccas is their low-maintenance nature. Once established, they are incredibly drought-tolerant. They are also generally resistant to pests and diseases. For gardeners looking for impact without a lot of fuss, yuccas are an excellent option. There are many different types of yucca to choose from. Some are small and compact, perfect for pots, while others can grow into quite large tree-like specimens. Take some time to explore the varieties. You are sure to find one that suits your garden and your taste. Choosing the right spot for your yucca is crucial. These plants adore sunshine, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If planted in too much shade, they can become leggy and weak. Look for the sunniest, warmest part of your garden. A south-facing or west-facing aspect is often ideal. Yuccas demand well-draining soil. They detest sitting in wet, soggy conditions. This can lead to root rot, which is often fatal. If you have heavy clay soil, improve it with plenty of grit and organic matter. Raised beds or mounds can also be a good solution. Good drainage is the key to a healthy yucca. When it comes to watering, less is often more. Once established, they need very little supplemental watering. Overwatering is a far more common problem than underwatering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During winter, water even less if at all. Feeding your yucca is generally not a big concern. They are not heavy feeders. In most garden soils, they will find enough nutrients to get by. Often, a good mulch of organic matter around the base is all they need. Propagating yuccas is a great way to get more plants for free. Yuccas are generous in making new plants. The easiest method is by dividing offsets or pups. Look for pups with their own roots. Use a sharp knife to separate it from the main plant. Pot it in gritty compost or plant it in the garden. Another way is rhizome cuttings. Dig up a rhizome section in spring. Plant cuttings in sandy compost. Keep moist and warm. You can also grow yuccas from seed. Sow seeds in spring. Keep them warm and moist. Yuccas are fantastic plants for creating a focal point in your garden. Their strong architectural shape naturally draws the eye. A single, well-placed yucca can make a powerful statement. Consider using one at the end of a path or as a centerpiece in a gravel garden. Their upright form provides wonderful contrast to softer, more rounded plants. The height of their flower spikes adds another dimension of drama. Even when not in flower, their evergreen foliage provides year-round structure and interest. These plants are a natural choice for drought-tolerant or xeriscape gardens. They thrive in dry conditions, making them perfect companions for other sun-loving, water-wise plants. Yuccas can also be grown very successfully in containers. A yucca in a stylish pot can make a stunning feature on a patio or balcony. To sum up, the advantages of growing yuccas are numerous. They are incredibly hardy plants, able to withstand a range of conditions. Their striking architectural form adds a touch of drama and sophistication to any garden. And of course, they are wonderfully easy to care for. This low-maintenance aspect is a huge draw for many gardeners. Whether you are a seasoned expert or a complete beginner, yuccas offer a great deal of reward for relatively little effort. They are plants that give back much more than they ask for. Another significant benefit is their general resistance to pests and diseases. Outdoors, they are usually very robust. The main issue is root rot from overwatering or poor drainage. Get the watering and soil right, and your yucca should remain trouble-free for many years. If you live in an area with very cold, wet winters, some yucca species might need a little protection. For container plants, move them to a more sheltered spot. For those in the ground, ensuring excellent drainage is paramount to prevent winter rot. Always wear sturdy gloves when handling yuccas, as the leaf tips can be quite sharp. Consider adding a yucca to your garden. They are a truly rewarding addition to any planting scheme.